What's up and good morning, everybody. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's about 60 degrees colder than the last video I filmed was, but you know what that means. Back home. And sorry, it's too cold, my brain's not even working today. But anyways, the Duramax. We're gonna give it a good old cold start here. And I actually forgot my wallet today, so hopefully I have enough diesel to go drive to my mom's work, because I left it in her car, and see it. Oh, the puppies! That's Hemi, that's Lexi, this is Maiden, and that's Sable. Oh God, guys, I love you. Oh yes. Such good dogs. But anyways, got the solid axle swap Duramax. Hopefully it unlocks. We got a reverse light out. See how much diesel we got. I don't even know if it's gonna start or open the door. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you guys remember, but the glow plugs, there's no glow plugs in this truck, so we'll see. Of course, my mom leaves it on a quarter of a tank. Anyways, we'll get you set up, do a little cold start here, and see what we got. Alrighty guys, just for reference here, it's 16 degrees. Got the Tahoe hooked up, trying to jump this. I think my camera's starting to freeze, it's acting a little funny here. Oh, that was foggy. But we'll put you back up here and see if we can't get this thing to start here. Hold on. I have no glow plugs, don't forget, so. Alright guys, so obviously we're having some troubles with this whole fucking ordeal. It's literally 16 degrees outside. So you guys know you shouldn't use starting fluid on a diesel. I have some silicone spray. It's the next best thing, kinda. It's not as volatile as starting fluid, and I still wouldn't use too much of it, but in a sticky situation it can get you out. We don't have enough power to really get this thing going, so we're gonna give it a couple sprays here, and then see if we can get this thing to fire up. Oh, the wind. It's literally so cold. Inside the can is frozen, so I don't even know. I'm gonna have Giovanna put this back. Can you put that back on that thing? All right. 80th try is the charm here. So we got the truck going thanks to my buddies Jake and Jesse. They brought the power truck had to come save the day. It wasn't too eventful. It's still smoking over here. She was cold, but we're running. So we thought we were giving up hope. That's why I wasn't filming. As you can see, all the number of times that we tried, we were giving up hope. And holy shit, pretty much gave up hope. So I'm sorry I missed it, but oh god, it feels good to be back in this thing. Battery's dead. I forgot all the check engine lights and everything's on. It's 22 degrees out right now. I don't think it has high idle either. I don't know how to set it or anything. So I'm gonna let this thing warm up for probably about ever. I don't know, even my gauges aren't working or anything. So this thing's seen better days. We need to get it on the road and drive and figure out what's going on. So I'm gonna throw the heat on and just let this thing warm up and idle for probably about ever. So it runs though, it does. 22 degrees, no glow plugs, a lot of jumping, a little bit of silicone spray. Yeah, we're gonna let it idle. So I don't know what else we're doing today. There's an active shooter where we were planning on going, so we're not going down there. I'm just gonna let this thing run. Look at, she's smoking. She's smoking bad. Oh yeah, look at that. She's cold, so we'll see. But we'll catch up in a little bit. Alrighty guys, I realize I have been filming and getting home late and not filming any outros. So I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I'm probably gonna use this outro for a few of them. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you're having a great Christmas holiday time, drop a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are enjoying your time with your family, friends, and everything like that. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you later guys. I'm out.